Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Hope you guys had a fantastic week. We're heading into the weekend. We are on day number 71 of this Mileage in Secret ClickBank challenge. And today is June the 20th of 2025, guys. So we've made it, guys. We're cranking along here in this video series. I'm excited. It's day number 71. We started from day number one in this series, guys, and we made a commitment to you guys to crank out 365 days. All right. And if you guys are new to this video, what we're shooting a 365-day challenge, which is a 1 year challenge. Okay. Where we're going to promote one offer from ClickBank. We're going to use a service called Mileage Secret System. We're going to put those together. We're going to somehow see if we can earn a full-time income doing so within 1 year of doing so. Okay. Now, if you're new to this channel, subscribe to the channel, like this video. Okay. But in the beginning of this channel, I did shoot different challenges, 30-day challenges. Okay. To kind of show you guys that this stuff does work. This method does work. And I use different offers. I didn't just stick with one offer. Okay. I was just kind of going around different offers, showing you that different offers do work. But for this specific challenge, okay, if you go back to day number one of this one, it's just specifically one offer that I want to stick with. And we're just going to ride that out to the end. Okay. And we're going to see if we can earn some money doing so. All right. So let's get to it, guys. It's day number 71, and let's go ahead and get to it. Okay. Now, if you guys don't know what Mileage in Secret is, Mileage in Secret is an email service that provides 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. Okay. So every day you come into your back office, which is going to look exactly like this. You're going to either have 100 or you're going to have 200 leads coming into your back office. All right. Now, what differentiates 100 to 200 is how many accounts that you have, right? So if you have multiple accounts, more than likely you're going to be able to have 200 leads coming in per account, okay? Versus your last account that you don't have a sign up under, you'll have just 100, okay? Now, the cool thing about Mileage in Secret is that you can stack these accounts, okay? So once you sign up and get in, okay, you're going to be able to sign up under yourself, okay? So you have to have that one account where you sign up with, right? And then you sign up under yourself right after, okay? So underneath this video, I forgot to leave a link for you, okay? But if you go to this link right here, okay, you can take a moment to write that down or whatever you want to do. Okay, copy that into your browser, sign up, get started today. That way you can be on my team, and then I have certain little bonuses that I give you to get you guys started off on the right foot, right? So. If you guys get started today, go to this link right here. I usually leave a link below my videos, okay? But for some reason, last night I was a little lazy and I didn't leave a link below there. I just wanted to hurry up and shoot this video and then be done with it. But tonight I'll have a link below. Okay. But you can use this one right here. It's still the same thing, guys. Just go to this link and put that in your browser, and then you'll be able to sign up on my team. Okay. Now, once you get started, your back office is going to look exactly like this. Okay. The only thing different is going to be your link, obviously, and the emails that you're sending out versus what I send out. Okay. So that's the only thing difference, but all these tabs are going to be the same, right? So what you would do, your main, the area that you're going to want to be in is the mailing system. This is where you're going to send all your emails out. Okay. What you want to do is come over here and click on select all. What that does, it moves all of the emails over. It loads them up into the portal. That way we can send out one email and it's going to go out as a blast, and it's going to, we'll be able to send out one email to however many people that you have in your list. Okay. Now, right now I have over 177,000 people. Okay. That I'm going to send out an email to. Okay. Which is a lot of people. And that email, I'm getting a lot of traffic and potentially get people to sign up. Okay. Now, with my account, I have 8 different accounts. Okay. Now, you don't have to run out and grab 8. I didn't start off with 8. Okay. I started off with a few. And then once I started making money, then I started to scale up and I started to get more accounts. Okay. But, for you, I would start off at least 2 or 3, and or 5 is a sweet spot that you want to get to. Once you get to five, you'll be rocking and rolling, and then you can reinvest and just get more accounts, right? Some people have 10 accounts, some people have 15 accounts out there, right? So if you have the budget to do that, I would recommend going out and doing that. Okay. So we've loaded that. We've selected our emails. It loads them up to the portals. It tells us how many emails, how many subscribers that we can send out one email to. Okay, which is really good. Now, yours is not going to say this off, right away if you just started. This took me some time. Okay, coming in, I was been committed to this thing for a long time, for quite some time now, and I've accumulated these leads. Okay, so let's go ahead and go here. And down at the bottom, there's going to be a subject line and there's going to be a body. Okay. Now, all you have to do is grab the subject line, and the offer that we're going to be using is called Social Sales Rep. It has a free email swipes. So we're just going to use the free email swipes at this moment. Okay. And let's go ahead and go here. I'm sorry, guys. Let's go ahead and go down here. This is where the emails are. And what we're going to do is just grab an email. Okay. Now, when I finish this email number 20, I'm going to do something a little bit different. So stay tuned for that, guys. All right. But for right now, we're just kind of going to go through these one by one. And then once we get down to 20, we're going to switch it up a little bit on the emails, and I'm going to show you some cool stuff. Okay. So let's go ahead and take this subject line, Control C. We're going to come back over here to the mailing system and Control V. Boom, super easy to do. I'm just showing you guys how how easy it is, right? So come down here to the perfect timing, click on that. Now, I've already sent out all my emails today just to get ahead of you guys and save a little bit of time. Okay, so I've already sent out my emails today. So I'm just kind of showing you guys what I do when I come in, and I want to get ready to send my emails for today. For me, it takes me about 5 to 10 minutes for me to send out to 8 accounts. I usually get my emails together, and then I'll just send them each and every account, log in, and just boom, knock them out just like that, right? And then once I get done with that, I can move on to other make money online, stuff that I do online. This is not my only source of income. Okay. So I have other stuff that I do, but this is one thing that I do and that I do earn income from. And I've been making money from it for a few years with this method. Okay. So I created a brand new account just for you guys, just to show you the power of this method and show you that it does work. Okay, so right here where it says hello name, what I was doing while I was talking, running my mouth, is I took this code right here. Okay, and we want to take that code and we want to come down here and we want to replace it with where it says name. And we want to take that out and we want to address our prospect by their first name. So if their name is Jermaine, John, Jeffrey, whatever the name is, right? We want to address them by their first name. Okay. And then what I like to do is like to come in here. I like to separate these sentences to make them a little bit more spaced out. That way, or my sentences are not running into each other and people are not, having a problem, reading my email. So I like to space everything out. Now, also at the bottom, there's going to be always going to be some kind of a call to action button. And it's going to be highlighted in bold text. Okay. And this, us as affiliates, we have to, highlight this call to action button and turn it into a clickable link. So what I'm going to do where it says click here to apply and join our growing team of remote workers. I could just click here, right? Bold text. Okay. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to just take the rest of this right here. Okay, just make it obvious that it is a bold text. I mean, that it's a text that someone needs to look at, needs to click on. Okay, and sometimes you can change the colors a little bit. I like to change colors a little bit of them times. And then let's go ahead and click on the link tab, and then underneath every email, there's going to be a link that you're going to be able to use. Okay, this is going to be your affiliate link. Is free to use. Doesn't cost you anything to use it. And this email goes with this. This link goes with this email. What you have to do, what's important is you have to take out your ClickBank affiliate ID. You erase this and you put in your ClickBank affiliate ID. That's what it's asking you to do. Okay. Put in your ID. That way you get the credit for it. So I'm going to do that. Take that out. Okay. Put in your affiliate ID. Okay. Don't put in mine, but put in yours. And then boom, we just made a clickable link. See, as you can see right here, right? It's a clickable link. And then what I like to do is I like to make these either 16 or 18, whichever one you guys choose. That way it's, a lot easier to read when somebody's looking at their phone, right? And they're, going through and they're looking at their emails yada yada, and then they see our email, and then it's visible for them. It's easy to read for 'em. Okay, it's convenient, and that's what we're looking for. Okay, so this email looks good. Hello, Jermaine. Are you interested in our opportunity? Yada yada, right? And then it comes down here, and when they keep reading, it goes in a little bit more detail on our job description. And then there's a clickable link right here. So this where it says click here, our prospect is going to click here. It's going to take them to our affiliate page. Now down at the bottom, there's going to be one that says preview or send now. You want to click on preview. When you preview, you can see this email in real time. So this email is going to be formatted for when it goes out to our prospect. So that means that this link right here is going to be clickable when you click on preview. So you're going to be able to click this link, and then you're going to be able to go to your own affiliate page, right? And what you're looking for when you click here is you're looking for your affiliate ID to show up in the URL. That way, you're getting credit for it. Okay. So that's the last thing you want is to click on a link or have a customer click on a link and it doesn't take them to your personal URL. It takes them somewhere else, or the link is broken, or if the link doesn't work, right? You always want to check and double check your emails before you click that send button. Okay. I've done it a few times already and I didn't like it. Right. So you want to make sure that you preview everything first. That way you get the credit for every email that you send out. You can send out one email every single 24 hours. Okay. So once you come down here, you click on send now. That email that we just sent, it went out to over 177,000 people. Okay. Which is really good. And like I said, I got 8 different accounts. And I have accounts that have more than 177,000. So um, you guys, this is just an awesome thing for you guys to be a part of. Okay. Now there is a one-time charge of $60 to get started. Okay. I would recommend you paying your $60 to get started, and then it's $30 a month to keep the service. Now, what you're getting for that $30 each month is you're getting thousands of people come to your subscriber list and they stay with you. Okay, that's the cool thing about this mileage and secret is that once you keep paying this monthly payment, you're going to keep getting fresh leads coming in every single month. Every day you got fresh leads, but every month, when you look back on the month, it's thousands of people coming in, right? Hundreds of people coming in, right? And those people stay with you. Okay, all you got to do, come in every day. You can either do morning or night. Me, I like sending out my emails at night. I used to send them out in the morning. I just kind of change it up. Okay, I get them ready at night in perfect time. And when people wake up all throughout the day, those emails are going to be going out to people whenever they're awake to do so. Okay. So, and like I said, I've done it in the morning for, a year. I just did mornings where I wake up early in the morning, 6 or 7, and I'll send those emails out. So, I kind of like the night personally because, at late at night, people are, surfing on their computers or they're in bed. And then as soon as they wake up, people are looking at their emails. And then our email is right there for them whenever they wake up in the morning. Right. So that's why I like sending them at night. But that's just me. Okay. Now you can do whatever you want with this. You can send it out whenever you guys like. Okay. I just wanted to show you guys how easy it is to send out an email in the My Legion secret system. And I encourage you guys to get started today so you don't miss out on this money that we getting coming in. Okay. So let's go ahead and get you signed up. All right. So let's go ahead and go over here and head over here to ClickBank. Now, ClickBank is a network platform that you can go to, and you can sign up. It's free to get started. They have tons of different offers and different niches that you can sign up for. Now, remember that this mileage and secret, these people are only looking for business opportunities. Okay. So what we would do as affiliate marketers, we go out and we grab offers that are related to making money, right? And we create the email and we send them out to this traffic. Okay. Now, once we send them out to this traffic, the result is we earn commissions and earn sales. All right. So let's go ahead and check out the results from last night. Okay. As you can see, we earned a sale today. We got a sale 3 days in a row right here. Okay. Which is really good because I was telling you guys before that how things were spread out before. It used to be like one here and then one way over here, and then we wouldn't get a sale for until next week sometime. But now, as you can see, the sales are getting a little bit closer. Maybe every 2 days or every one day or every 3 days, right? But as you can see right here, we got 3 days in a row. Okay. So that means to tell me that the traffic sources and the stuff that I'm doing is starting to pay off a little bit, and people are starting to buy at a, closer. These sales are starting to get a little bit closer. So let's go ahead and see where this sale came from. Let's go ahead and go over to the reporting tab. Okay, and today is June the 20th. Okay, and let's go ahead and check here. Now, the offer that we're promoting is called Social Sales Rep. We got over 1,000 hops today. We got 744 unique hops. These are brand new IP addresses that came to our site. And then we also have one unique order form impression. Okay. Now, this means that somebody went to our checkout page, they decided to buy for whatever reason, or they didn't buy for whatever reason. Okay. Which is no biggie. And today we did not get a free trial or we did not get a rebill. Okay. So which is, unfortunate, but I'm not worried because, I know that this thing is going to take off. And when it takes off, it's going to be good. Okay. And also we're starting to see those rebills coming in each and every month, from the first month that we started with this thing. So tomorrow I will be looking for, tomorrow, the next day, I'm going to be looking for a sign up for the social sales rep. Okay. To see if we earned a commission. All right. Now, this commission did come from a offer of social paid, which is another offer on ClickBank on this platform that you can use to promote as well. Now, I'm not necessarily promoting this offer, sending out emails promoting that offer specifically with the MLGS traffic. This traffic is coming from YouTube. Okay, I do faceless YouTube videos. Okay, so this is a result of, and this one as well, this Ted's plan. These are just YouTube channels that I've created that have brung me free traffic. Okay, I create these AI videos and I can get free traffic from them. And then for some reason, someone from YouTube, they did sign up, okay, for one of these offers that I'm promoting, but it's just a test, some little test stuff that I'm doing with the YouTube traffic, that I'm not actually doing a series over, and I may do a series, later on, down the road, but right now we're only focused in on one offer. So this sale came from a YouTube video that I put out a while ago, and I'm getting traffic from it. It's starting to get a little bit bigger, and then someone actually signed up from YouTube, and I earned a commission, right? But I'm not really counting that because that's not really the offer that we are promoting. Okay, the offer that we're promoting is with the mileage and secret is the social sales rep. Okay. So that's it, guys. Just kind of wanted to show you my back office here, and show you that the we did send out some emails today, and we did not get a sale today, but we did get an initial order form impression. Okay, well, we got a sale from another program. Okay, but the program that I'm promoting, we didn't get a sale from that, a free trial sale, which is those are the sales that I'm looking for, is those free trials. Okay, but I'm not going to hang my head low. I'm going to come back here tomorrow. We sent out our emails tonight. So I'm going to come back here tomorrow and kind of see how we did from tonight's email. So I'm going to end this video on that note, and I will see you guys back here tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.